it doesn't really pop that well on both.
Almost got dead.
Whoa, these are different.
Shush.
Oh, whoa. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mary.
And I'm Izzy.
And today we're going to be doing a huge giant fidget haul. So this is only half of our fidgets because our brothers keep stealing our fidgets and I don't know why. So we just have these right now, guys. So yeah, look at them. We have a whale. This.
Phone cases.
So we're going to show you every single fidget we have here. We even have some cars. You could go like this. And we have this giant dough ball. And this little one. Look at this. Look at the dough. I want to pop it so bad. So I'll go first with these fidgets. Okay guys, so these are some of my top favorite ones. I grabbed this one, but it doesn't really pop that well on both sides, but listen. See, it pops good on the poppy side, but not on the other one. But this is why I like the whale one. Okay, here's the whale. It pops amazing. Also on this side. And this isn't the poppy side, guys. Both sides are great. And here's this one. And I just like it because it's an all black fidget. It's my only one, and listen. Pretty good on this side. And here's a big giant black and rainbow simple dimple. Pops pretty good on both sides. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you some of my favorites, and look at this one. This is like, it's blue, pink, and white. Ready? And it's like the world's biggest keychain. And then we have these controllers. There's a green one and a pink one, and these ones have to be my favorite. They're amazing. I have an entire new pack that we haven't opened yet, and these. Let me show you guys. Okay. Look at my dad cleaning the tile. Okay, so first I want to show you guys this. It is my favorite fidget. It's just so satisfying to watch. See? I don't know what it's called, but let me see. These aren't. Look at my dad. The painter never came to clean the tiles, so he's doing it. Okay, here. Kind of happy. And here's this one. No. I don't think it's on the poppy side. Oh, pops good on both sides. Is this a simple dimple or a pop it?
Pop it.
But look at the side. It's like plastic, guys. Okay. Pretty good. Now let's open this. Ooh, it comes in a little bag. Okay, we have an infinity cube, a fidget pad, and these. Okay. Oh my god, is that a mini fidget spinner? Look! Look, guys, there's two. Oh, this one doesn't spin good. Wait. I think it's defective. Wait. Yeah, this one doesn't spin good, but these do. It's like the world's smallest fidget. Oh wow, look at this one! Kind of looks like Harry Potter. Here's this.
Puffle puff.
I don't know. Here's this. You go like this. What is this called? You remember?
The tangle?
A tangle. How it looks like a bracelet. Oh, wait. Oh, I thought it would be like a soft piece of stress ball. Okay guys, it's my turn, and I have these like really cool like little fidget things. They're brand new. I don't know if they're bracelets. They look too small to be bracelets. And I have this whole pack of Pop-Its, and guess what I found? I found a red controller. Look at that, and I found this black and white controller. This dinosaur Pop-It. I don't know what this is. It's like a little human.
A Roblox character?
No.
No. It reminds me of the guy from the Up movie with the square face. And Among Us, and a stress ball. Look at this. This is my favorite. I want to pop it. Hey guys, so let's pop these. I think I'm gonna pop these like round things first. No, I don't think they pop good on the table. Huh. They're not the best popper things, but I guess they're pretty cool. I like how there's a hole in the middle, guys. These don't really pop that good, but I know this will, because it pops good on both sides. Oh, and look at this side. It pops good on both sides. All right, let's do this controller. I love this red controller and the tie-dye one. All right, the dinosaur. Look, they pop good. This side has dinosaurs. All right, the Among Us. They pop good on both sides. Which one is your favorite? I think my favorite was this one. Because they pop good on both sides. Okay guys, so let's look through some more of our fidgets. So here's a snapper. Here's some monkey noodles. Look, an Among Us Simple Dimple. Look at these. Monkey noodles are always so fun to play with. And these are like the jumbo giant monkey noodles.
This Among Us pop.
Look at this, ready?
Oh wait, it's Among Us. I forgot.
Look at this. Oh, Simple Dimple.
You almost got dead.
Listen to how well this pops. Look at that. We have some bracelets here. Some Pop-It bracelets. A Fidget cube. Whoa, these are different. These have one big one in the middle. Whoa, this matches my shirt. Look, ready?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna put them on. Wow, pops pretty well. How do people put the watches on by themselves? It's so hard. And then you have to flip it over. And then you have to buckle it.
Listen. This one pops the best.
Pretty cool, guys. Oh, look at these. Definitely the clear one's my favorite. The clear one's the coolest. Oh, I found it. I almost dropped it. Look at this.
Here is a Simple Dimple keychain.
Oh, here's a part of a Simple Dimple that we made.
Oh, here's my favorite Simple Dimple keychain because I love the blue and the green together.
A fidget spinner. Pop it. A fidget spinner, pop it.
Look, ready?
Oh, look at this one. This is one of our first Simple Dimples.
Ready? Pick a color. Pick orange, pink, or blue.
Blue.
Oh, it was orange. Do it again. Okay, pink. Wait, orange. Okay, pick a color.
Orange. Listen.
Here's this McDonald's Poppet.
Here's these. What is this called?
Tangle.
A tangle.
Yeah, there's a lot of these. Oh, look, a purple one.
Give me.
Honestly, do you guys think I could braid a monkey noodle?
You
I only need 3 colors, so we'll take the purple out. So, okay, first we'll start off by this, and then all right. You know what? We'll just try to do it without it connected, which is pretty hard. But
Whoa.
whoa. I never knew how to braid hair until the middle of 5th grade. You know that?
Did you even braid it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Look.
Look, it's like a workout. It brings your arms up.
Look. This is a cube.
Look at this. It's bringing my arms up. Oh, look at that.
Look.
Braided.
It's a cube. This is pretty cool.
Well, look at this pineapple poppet. I recreated that. I made my own. I don't know where it is. Oh, here's a faux case. This doesn't work that well. It's hard to unpop, but it's really satisfying to pop. See? See? It's so satisfying, but poppy size on the inside, so it just makes it easier. So here's
Whoa,
this.
look at these keychains.
The poppy side is also on the inside.
They look like little bombs. Look.
Look at this.
And there's these. And these.
It doesn't pop that good.
Okay, wait, guys.
Okay,
Shush!
Look at these.
Wow. That's all. That's
Look at this.
Let's see. Let's see what this is, guys.
I
Oh, it's like it almost looks like a fidget spinner, but it's just a poppet.
Simple Dimples.
Yeah,
Or-
look.
What are they
It's
called?
supposed
Yeah,
to
Simple
be a
Dimples.
fidget
Yeah.
spinner. Cause look. Okay. Bro.
Here it is, guys. It has smiley faces on it. And they're all different colors. Oh my god, look at this watch, guys. It's so cute. Ready? Whoa. I'm gonna pop this giant one. I love giant poppets. That was satisfying. Guys, you know where you put the egg in the vinegar and then it actually ends up like this? You just can't go like that with it. But you
Guys,
can
look,
see
I
it.
found some roller rings. And this giant poppet.
I found another one of these.
I have another giant poppet keychain, guys. Let's pop it. I think it's gonna sound great. That sounds good. Guys, I love to pop poppets this way. It's super satisfying.
I really want to cut this big dough ball open because I think it'll be super epic because it's not like gooey inside. It's like, I don't know what to call it, but it's just really fun to play with. It is not like sticky or anything. It's like Daiso, but something else.
Whoa, that's so soft.
Look at that. And look what's inside. Ugh.
Okay, that looks sticky.
It's not. It's like foamy. It's really lightweight too. Look. it's spreadable. Yeah. And then to clean it, just go like that. And it comes so easily. I don't know how to describe it because it's light like Daiso, but it doesn't feel like Daiso. It kind of feels like foam.
But it doesn't feel like foam.
It just feels like whatever it is.
So we still have a bunch of Poppets to pop, so let us know if you want to see a certain Poppet pop or us play for Fidget. Well, bye guys! Thanks for watching. This video was so much fun, and don't miss tomorrow's video. Bye!
Bye!